Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Envy Wigs YouTube channel. I'm Amber. Today I'm very excited to share with you one of our newest EnvyHair Collection styles. This is the Corey wig. She's all about long, flowing, layered waves that frame the face beautifully. You get that soft, romantic, and effortless look. Before we jump in, I want to share what makes this collection truly special. EnvyHair was created by Alan Eaton, the visionary behind Envy Wigs. He set out to give wig wearers the best of both worlds. The luxurious feel and movement of human hair and the lightweight durability of synthetic fiber. His goal was not only to create wigs that look beautiful, but perform beautifully too. I feel like Corey is a perfect example of that. Let's take a look at Corey. You can see how beautiful these layers fall, soft, natural, and full of movement. The subtle waves give it that lived-in, glamorous, modern look without the effort. I love how she frames the face. It's flattering, it's romantic, and it's timeless. The EnvyHair blend gives us the right amount of body and shine for that natural, realistic look. Now let's get into the features. Corey features an extended lace front, a full mono top, and she is fully hand-tied in the remaining area of this cap construction. Let me go ahead and take Corey off and show you the underside. What this means is you get a completely natural looking front hairline with that extended lace front. You have that realistic scalp looking appearance with that fully hand-tied monofilament top. This has multi-directional parting ability, so you can part this hair every which way, and it looks like the hair is growing out of your scalp. The hand-tied construction allows every strand to move freely for a soft, natural drape. It flows like a natural head of hair. This is truly such a luxurious cap. She's also lightweight at only 4.8 ounces. She's easy and comfortable to wear all day long. Okay, let's put her back on. I am wearing the beautiful Honey Breeze, which I think shows off Corey's waves and layers beautifully. Corey comes in 17 gorgeous shades, from deep brunettes and reds to radiant blondes like sparkling champagne. There's truly a color for every personality and skin tone. Now let's talk about what sets Corey apart, the EnvyHair blend. EnvyHair is a mix of 70% heat-friendly synthetic fiber and 30% human hair. This ratio was carefully designed to give you the touch and feel of your human hair with the durability and lightweight comfort of synthetic fiber. And here's something really smart. Longer styles like Corey has human hair strategically placed around the nape area to help avoid that friction frizz and tangling that can often happen with synthetic fiber. Alan Eaton designed this because he knew that the nape area is more prone to tangling. This helps minimize matting and keeps the hair flowing naturally. This blend also has style memory. So once you wash this style, you let it dry and it will retain this gorgeous wave. You got that right. It returns back to its original shape. No daily restyling needed, but you can heat style Corey up to 285 degrees Fahrenheit. You can touch up waves or smooth the ends, and this fiber will hold your style wonderfully. Another thing is EnvyHair is weather resistant, and it holds color vibrancy for months. So your wig always looks fresh, shiny, and polished. Corey is super versatile. You can wear her soft and natural right out of the box, or you can enhance the waves with a curling iron or Envy's 3-in-1 air styler. Because of the EnvyHair blend, she responds beautifully to gentle heat styling. And that touch of human hair helps the texture look and feel extremely natural. You can add a little lift at the crown, tuck the front pieces, or wear her loose and flowing. She always looks effortless. Let's talk about care, because maintaining your EnvyHair wig is pretty easy and it's going to keep your wig looking flawless. Wash every 6 to 8 wears with salon grade products for your alternative hair. We love the Envy line or even the Beauty Mark line for human hair. These are formulated specifically for this fiber blend. Gently detangle from ends to roots and wash in cool running water. And then you'll want to let it air dry on a stand. If you notice any frizz or buildup in the nape or at the ends, this is totally normal. This is just from everyday friction. To refresh, use your Envy 3-in-1 Air Styler on high heat, and I recommend the oval round brush attachment. It smooths, volumizes, and restores shine in minutes. You can also use a flat iron at 285 degrees Fahrenheit. We recommend Beauty Mark's 3-in-1 Miracle Protect Spray when using heat on your blend. This gives you extra smoothness and protection. With the right care, your Corey wig will stay soft, shiny, and beautiful. Corey is perfect for anyone who loves soft, long, romantic, layered waves with natural movement and that low maintenance beauty. Alan Eaton's vision with EnvyHair was to give the wearer freedom. The freedom to style, move, and feel confident every day. And Corey truly brings that vision to life. If you love Corey as much as I do, check her out on our website. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and go follow us on our social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook. This is where you'll see more styles, tutorials, and hair inspiration. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed exploring Corey with me. I'll see you in the next video with another EnvyHair wig. See you next time.